Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Warzone game stuck on connecting to online services. A server connection to try to fix it. Check my description for this website link. In here you need to select your game's version. Here is the problems are given here. Have you tried restarting your router? Try use a wired connection. Check your connection speed. Limit other band heavy applications. Today I am going to help you out. If you have issue not solved, you can report it over here in this website. Now I'm going to restore network settings. Go to search menu and type CMD. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Here you need to type IP config space slash flush DNS. Press enter guys. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolve cache. Next command is there. netsh space winsock winsock space reset reset. Press enter guys. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Go and restart it. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial helped for you. Thanks for watching my videos.